Alrighty, today is Fluency. It's Module 1, Chapter 16. It's a short day. Not much to do, but do get your whiteboard out and be prepared to start that. Alrighty, the first thing we're going to do here is we are going to do some comparing. So we're going to look at this first set of numbers right here. First thing I want you to do is say them out loud. You should have said 342,006. And then a blank, 94,983. We are going to compare whether it's greater than, less than, or equal to. As you look at that, you can see right away that we have something in the something in the hundred thousands on the left-hand side, but nothing on the right side. So that tells us that 342,006 is, and you should have put larger than, 94,983. All right, we're going to look at the next one. This is one where sometimes it's helpful to write it out as you say it, but we'll first of all read what it says. 7 thousands, 5 hundreds, 8 tens, and that's being compared to 6 thousands, 5 hundreds, 8 ones. What I want you to do is on your board, write what those are in standard form. So you should have, on the left, you should have 7 thousands, 5 hundreds, 8 tens. And on the right, you should have 6 thousands, 5 hundreds, 8 ones. So we can see right away as we're comparing, we're going to start with the largest unit to compare. Both of these have thousands, but one has 7,000, one has 6,000. So obviously the one with 7,000 is going to be larger than the one with 6,000. Let's look at that last problem, and that's comparing a number in written form to a number in standard form. So let's read that together. 900 thousands, 8 thousands, 9 hundreds, 3 tens. This is actually written in expanded form. So we know we have 900 thousands, and it doesn't mention 10,000, so that must be that we have 0 of those. 8 thousands, and then we have 9 hundreds, 3 tens, and no ones. And we're comparing that to this number over here. So I want you to say that with me in the way that we would speak that number. 908,930 compared to 807,820. Again, we're going to go to the largest unit to compare. They both have something in 800,000s. So we're going to go ahead and compare those. We have 900,000 compared to 800,000. Again, the 900,000 is the largest. I know you could probably do that much faster than I did it, but I wanted to go through and just walk through those steps to make sure that you're really clear as you're comparing numbers. We start with the largest unit and compare those. And then if we need to, then we go down one by one, step by step to compare. Have a great day. Thank you for joining me.